7 nutritional pasta recipes for losing weight.
Hi and welcome back to Healthy Bites. Are you trying to eat pasta and lose weight at the same time? We have your back. Our collection of 7 healthy pasta recipes provides scrumptious choices that are supportive of your weight loss efforts, as well as pleasurable. These recipes allow you to enjoy pasta without risking your progress, since they are healthful ingredients, well-balanced flavors, and low-calorie options. These dishes will help you stay on track and provide your body with the nutrition it needs. Number 1. Tomato Cucumber Feta Pasta Salad, 290 calories. Tomato Cucumber Feta Pasta Salad is a refreshing and nutritious pasta recipe that is perfect for weight loss. This salad is packed with vibrant vegetables, protein-rich feta cheese, and wholesome whole wheat pasta, making it satisfying and low-calorie option. Here are the specific ingredients for tomato cucumber feta pasta salad. 8 ounces whole wheat rotini pasta, 1 cup cherry tomatoes halved, 1 English cucumber diced, 1/2 red onion thinly sliced, 1/2 cup crumbled feta cheese, 1/4 cup chopped fresh parsley, 2 tablespoons extra virgin olive oil, 2 tablespoons red wine vinegar, salt and pepper to taste. Process for making tomato cucumber feta pasta salad. Number 2. Sardine pasta, 270 calories. Sardine pasta is a flavorful and nutritious pasta recipe that is perfect for weight loss. Sardines are a rich source of omega-3 fatty acids, protein, and essential vitamins and minerals. These recipe combine sardines with whole wheat pasta, fresh vegetables, and herbs to create a satisfying and low-calorie meal. Here are the specific ingredients for sardine pasta. 8 ounces whole wheat spaghetti, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 2 cloves garlic minced, 1/4 teaspoon red pepper flakes, 1 can sardines in olive oil drained, 1 cup cherry tomatoes halved, 1/4 cup chopped Kalamata olives, 2 tablespoon capers, juice of 1 lemon, salt and pepper to taste, fresh parsley for garnished. Here is the process for making sardine pasta. Number 3. Chicken and spinach pasta, 430 calories. Chicken and spinach pasta is a delicious and healthy option for those looking to lose weight. This recipe combines lean chicken breast, nutrient-rich spinach, and whole wheat pasta to create a satisfying and nutritious meal. The chicken provides lean protein, while the spinach adds vitamins, minerals, and fiber to support your overall health. Here are the specific ingredients for chicken and spinach pasta. 8 ounces whole wheat pasta, 2 chicken breasts, boneless and skinless, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 3 cloves garlic minced, 4 cups fresh spinach leaves, 1 cup cherry tomatoes halved, 1/4 cup grated Parmesan cheese, salt and pepper to taste. Here is the process for making chicken and spinach pasta. Hey guys, can you do me a favor and give that like button some love? It would mean the world to me and help support our channel. While you're down there, why not hit subscribe too? Alright, let's go back to the number 4 food recipe. Number 4. Avocado pasta recipe, 290 calories. Avocado pasta is a healthy and flavorful option for pasta lovers who are on a weight loss journey. This recipe features a creamy and nutritious avocado sauce that replaces traditional, high-calorie sauces like cream or cheese. Avocado is rich in healthy fats, fiber, and essential vitamins, making it a great addition to a balanced diet. Here are the specific ingredients for avocado pasta. 8 ounces whole wheat pasta, 1 ripe avocado, 1 clove garlic minced, 2 tablespoons fresh lemon juice, 2 tablespoons olive oil, salt and pepper to taste. For optional toppings, cherry tomatoes, fresh basil, grated Parmesan cheese. Here is the process for making avocado pasta. Number 5. Zucchini noodles with pesto and cherry tomatoes, 250 calories. Zucchini noodles with pesto and cherry tomato is a light and flavorful pasta alternative that is perfect for weight loss. This recipe features zucchini noodles tossed in a homemade pasta sauce and topped with cherry tomatoes for a nutrient-packed and low-calorie meal. For specific ingredients for zucchini with pesto and cherry tomatoes: 2 large zucchini, 1 cup fresh basil leaves, 1/4 cup pine nuts or walnuts, 2 cloves garlic, 1/4 cup grated Parmesan cheese, 1/4 cup extra virgin olive oil, juice of 1 lemon, salt and pepper to taste, 1 cup cherry tomatoes halved. Here is the process for making zucchini noodles with pesto and cherry tomatoes. Number 6. Broccoli and chickpea pasta, 320 calories. Broccoli and chickpea pasta is a nutritious and satisfying pasta recipe that supports weight loss. This recipe combines whole wheat pasta with fiber-rich broccoli and protein-packed chickpeas, creating a balanced and low-calorie dish that will keep you feeling full and energized. Here are the specific ingredients for broccoli and chickpea pasta. 8 ounces whole wheat penne pasta, 2 cups broccoli florets, 1 can chickpeas drained and rinsed, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 3 cloves garlic minced, 1/4 teaspoon red pepper flakes, juice of 1 lemon, salt and pepper to taste, grated Parmesan cheese for topping. Here is the process for making broccoli and chickpea pasta. Number 7. Spaghetti squash with marinara sauce, 200 calories. Spaghetti squash with marinara sauce is a low-calorie and satisfying pasta alternative that's perfect for weight loss. This recipe features roasted spaghetti squash strands topped with a flavorful marinara sauce, providing a delicious and nutrient-rich meal without the excess calories. Here are the ingredients: 1 medium spaghetti squash, 2 cups homemade or store-bought marinara sauce, fresh basil leaves for garnish, grated Parmesan cheese. Here is the process for making spaghetti squash with marinara sauce. And that concludes our list of 7 nutritional pasta recipes for losing weight. Do you happen to know any nutritional pasta recipes that we haven't listed? Feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. This way, you'll be always in the loop when it comes to the most delicious and nutritious foods out there. That's all for now. Bye!